Welcome to Deactivate channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Slack account. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your Slack software and sign in. You can either open up the software or just go to your browser. And from there, just go to Slack and just open up your workspace. And after coming here, what you have to do is just go to the left bottom corner and click on your profile. From there, click on profile again. From the right side, you're gonna see your profile pop up. Click on the three dot icon, which is the more action icon, and click on account settings from here. It's gonna take you to another tab and open up your account settings. And being in the account settings, if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna find the option of deactivate account. Now, if you deactivate your account, you're gonna leave your current workspace as well as delete your account or deactivate your account. So just make sure you read everything from here and agree to it. Now, if you're sure, just click on deactivate your account. Then it's gonna ask you for your password. And after you provide your password, just click on confirm password. Then it's gonna once again prompt you that you're sure you want to deactivate your account. And if you click on yes, it will deactivate your account. And basically that is how to deactivate your account on Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.